First of all, we are going to take some BB cream. Take it in a small amount because less is more. I prefer using my hands more than sponge and other tools. So with my hand, I dab it and yeah, keep dabbing until it gets mixed. Second of all, we are going to take some concealer and put it in our eye bags to actually hide our dark circles. You can keep some concealer in your nose and red areas, but I prefer in my eye bag. Third of all, we are going to take some lipstick and put it as a blush. If you have blush, you can use blush, but I prefer lipstick. It's kind of good, yeah. If you are new to makeup, please use your hand. It's way better than buying those expensive brush. Then we are going to take some powder and put it on face. But I do not prefer powders so much. But yeah, I do put it. So I prefer Kajal over eyeliner because I think it's more suitable for me. And you can put it in your eye. But honestly, I don't know how to put eyeliner, so I prefer Kajal. Then here comes our highlighter. We take a little amount and put it in our eyes beside our Kajal. I like highlighter over blush. You can put your highlighter in your nose, cheeks, and everywhere else. I sometimes put my highlighter in my lips also, and I think it's very nice. After that, we can put some mascara. So I'm an Asian girl and I don't have a very long lashes. So mascara is important, but not so important. But anyways, here is it. Just roll your eyelashes through your fingers, so it will be much more longer. And then we'll put some lipstick. This is my favorite one actually. I stole it from my mom, but it's actually a really good one, so you should try. After lipstick comes our lip gloss. It is a very cheap one and also very nice. I think I like this one. Then we do our hair and everything. The earrings are very cute, so here it goes into my ears.